So I guess to start off, what are we going to use in order to solve this triangle? How are we going to approach this? Emily?
Law of sine? Law of cosine?
No, law of cosines, correct. So we're starting off by using law of cosines to solve this problem. It's really the only thing we could do at this point. Law of sines wouldn't work at this point. All right, so law of cosine, so, you know, there's three different angles. We obviously have to solve for an angle first. So the first question is, what angle should I solve for first? Kevin?
The biggest angle is angle B.
The biggest angle, which is angle B, absolutely correct. And could someone tell why angle B? Please.
Angle B corresponds to, oh wait, are you asking like why we should?
Yeah, so it's the largest angle, angle B. Why are we doing that? Yeah, well, why pick the largest angle? Sarah?
Because it's opposite the largest side, which is 16.
Correct, but why couldn't we pick the smaller angle, for instance, Josh?
Because with law of sines, it only works if the angle isn't obtuse, so you want to get rid of the only angle that could be obtuse first with law of cosines.
Exactly. Looking ahead, knowing we're going to be using law of sines, we can't find obtuse angles with law of sines. So if it's obtuse, we want to get that out of the way right away. So yeah, we're using law of sines for the largest angle. Could someone tell me what's the formula that I'm going to put here to get started on that? Camille.
B squared equals a squared minus c squared. Plus c squared, sorry.
No problem.
Minus 2ac cosine b.
Correct, and let's fill in these blanks here. You know, we're solving for B, so what goes in B? 16. What goes in A? 10. What goes in C? 8. And we arrive at this. Let's keep going through solving this. What's the next step here? And you know, our goal is to solve for B. So what do I do next in order to solve for B? Jen.
Subtract 10 squared plus 8 squared.
Yeah, we're going to first subtract 10 squared plus 8 squared from both sides, leaving us with that. And what do we do next? Jeremy.
Divide by negative 2 times 10 times 8.
Divide by negative 2 times 10 times 8. Correct. So now we have cosine of B equals all of that, right? So in order to solve for B, what do we do next? Jillian.
Do arc cosine, like times
Not times, but yeah, you take
arc
cosine of both sides, absolutely. So we do arc cosine of this, and could someone put this in your calculator? Let me know. What do we get? We get this. I have a few hands. 125. All right. So now we have 125.1 to find the first angle. What's next? What do we do next in order to solve for the second angle?
You use the law of sines.
We're going to use law of sines. Absolutely. We'll use law of sines to find the second angle. And kind of out of good habit, what angle should we find first? Jeremy.
Angle A.
Wouldn't Maria?
Angle c.
Angle C. Yeah, I'd find angle C first, because you would be right using angle A, but we pretty much we want to use law of sines. Always find the smallest angles first. It'll keep us from making mistakes in it.